Okay, so I decided to put a little burr finish right at the throat, about a half, now about almost an inch, 3/4 of an inch. See that? Just on the outer edge. Of each one. So when that fuel hits there, it'll atomize before it goes in the cylinder. Not all the way around. I just feel like it's going to splash there at over 4,000, 5,000 RPM. It'll be flowing pretty good. 60 degree will take care of the rest, I think. And I made it lines, so it like lines, so as soon as the fuel hits, it'll shear it and keep on shearing it. When I dyno test it, I don't have any dyno tests before or after, so it's just going to be what it is, you know. So I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I think it is. It's going to help. I pretty much stopped right there at the middle. I think it'll help anything over 4,000. It's the long runner. See, the wing points to the spark plug. And the short runner points to the wall, but not completely that way. It's angled to the middle in between. A lot better than to the wall over there. Alright guys, just a quick video. Take it easy.